Setting up dependents. TaxDome gives you flexibility in how you structure accounts and contacts for families with dependents. The key is creating an account for each person or group filing a return, then linking contacts appropriately. Here we have a family of 5, but only 4 contacts are linked. To add the missing family member, you have 2 options. You can create a new contact from scratch by entering their details, or, if the contact already exists in TaxDome, simply type their name and link them to this account. To unlink a contact, select the options and remove them. If children earn enough income to file their own returns, create separate accounts for them. For spouses filing jointly with dependents, you'll have one account with all 5 contacts linked. If spouses file separately, create 2 accounts and link the dependent contacts based on who claims them. When spouses file jointly, but their children also file returns, you'll need 3 accounts, one for the parents and one for each dependent filing. You can set this up during import by formatting your spreadsheet appropriately. If your spreadsheet has an account name column, contacts automatically link to that account. To link contacts to multiple accounts, add multiple rows with the same contact details but different account names. The number of accounts depends on how many returns you're filing. Structure each situation based on your client's specific needs.